Hello and welcome. Thanks very much for joining us here on this special broadcast on NDTV. I'm Padmaja Joshi, and as always on every big story, the buck stops here. Let's start by wishing all of our viewers a very, very happy Lohri, a happy Sankranti, or by whichever name you are celebrating this day. We are coming to you from Mumbai on a day when a very, very high voltage campaign ended here, not just for the BMC elections, but for 28 other municipal corporations as well. This election or its campaign has been marked by a rhetoric where everyone has been wondering who really is a true Mumbaiker. So I think this right here is a microcosm of discovering, of really explaining what Mumbai is. You could be in this maximum city and you could still be celebrating Lohri, you could still be listening to the beats of Dhol, you could still be doing Bhangra, you could still be celebrating Pongal, you could be celebrating Ugadi, depending on what name you call it. This really is the melting pot. So if today somebody was to ask, how do you identify a real Mumbaiker? Who can stake claim to being a real Mumbaiker, a Marathi Manus? The answer is whoever belongs to this city. But politics is a very different cup of tea, and which is why that constant refrain of how this is a battle of identity, this is a battle of existence, this is a battle, if you will, of Vada Pav and perhaps Golgappa. Vada Pav, which is intrinsic to the city, and anything that comes from the outside. But people are far, far smarter. How does the politics though play out? We are going to talk about that at length right here with our panel that joins us today from Maximum City, and also to all the Mumbaikers who are going to be right here with us. But let's get you started with listening to some of the final slog over rhetoric that we heard through the day. You've already heard that entire abusive tirade of lungi, pungi, of people being called rasmalai, and today Sanjay Raut also gave a very dire warning. He said, we have sent out our flying squads, and if we find anyone cheating, हम उसे वहीं ठोक देंगे. Listen in.
बोगस वोटर्स को हम ठोक देंगे. हमारा सब जगह पर हमारा जो पथक है, शिवसेना और महाराष्ट्र नवनिर्माण सेना के लोगों का 5000 लोग हमने तैयार किए. जहां भी बोगस वोटर आएगा, डुप्लीकेट वोटर आएगा, तो हमको खबर करनी है. वो सब हमने दे दिया है जगह जगह पे.
मला खरं तर आपल्याला सांगायचंय की यूपीच्या आणि बिहारच्या लोकांनी पहिल्यांदा नीट समजून घ्या, बाबांनो, हिंदी ही तुमची पण भाषा नाही. यूपीच्या लोकांची भोजपुरी भाषा आहे, बिहारच्या लोकांची मैथिली भाषा आहे, अवधी भाषा आहे. हिंदी भाषा तुमची पण नाहीये. माझा कुठच्या भाषेवर राग नाही, परंतु तुम्ही आमच्यावरती लादणार असाल तर लाथच मारू.
एकनाथजींनी या ठिकाणी सांगितलं, ही मुंबई कोणाच्या बापाच्या 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 बाप जरी आला तरी महाराष्ट्रापासून तुटू शकत नाही.
मी पुन्हा एकदा सांगतो, कोणी बाई का लाल आला तरी मुंबई महाराष्ट्रापासून कोणी तोडू शकणार नाही. आणि मुंबई महापालिकेवर महायुतीचाच भगवा फडकणार. आणि पुन्हा एकदा सांगतो, मुंबईचा महापौर मराठीच होणार.
The kind of rhetoric, it has been basically a battle to try and determine who really is going to stake claim to Mumbai. Remember, when the two Thackeray brothers got together after a full 20 years, when they did that massive joint rally at Shivaji Maidan, they said that this is a battle of existence. Raj Thackeray, in fact, in the final rally that they carried out in Thane yesterday, said, if not now, then never, that Mumbaikars are going to be rendered irrelevant. But the answer was given by the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, making it very clear that Mumbai belongs to no one person. Mumbai किसी की बाप की नहीं है, कोई भी मुंबई को ले नहीं सकता. Joining us now on this special show, we have Sajid Supariwala joining us from the Shiv Sena UBT. We have also representing the MNS here on the panel with us. We have Sachin Kadam. Thank you very much for being here with us. We have Rakesh Shetty representing the Congress Party. Suzy Ben Shah from Shiv Sena is here with us. Asif Bamla, leader of the BJP. And we have political analyst Sujata Pandey as well. But I will start with asking Sajid Supariwala, जिस तरीके से Sanjay Raut said कि हमने flying squad बना दिए हैं और जिसको भी पकड़ा उसको हम ठोक देंगे. Many people are saying this in itself is an exit poll of sorts. That you already know that perhaps results are not going to be to your liking. So you have already started looking for excuses.
Thanks for giving me the opportunity of speaking. Sanjay Raut ji has his own style of talking. His way of speaking is in that manner only from the time of Bala Sahib Thackeray. It's not about giving up or we are not worried. We are very confident. In fact, we are waiting. Very, very eagerly waiting for the results so that we can show people their places.
But how will you decide who's a bogus voter?
See, simply,
उनके चेहरे पे लिखा होगा कि वो bogus voter है.
I'll tell you, a lot of study has been done, a lot of research has been done. All the Shaka Pramukhs had been informed way back only that there are a lot of fake voters and there are a lot of things going on. There were in one name there were 10 names of the same person with the same ID card. We saw that. So there was a lot of research going on before this thing. So we are not giving any chance to anybody to play foul.
Okay, so this is not a threat. This is an actual warning that you know what is happening. Asif Banga.
Absolutely.
They already know that you are up to no good. आप पैसे बांट रहे हैं, silver बांट रहे हैं.
Absolutely.
Be warned. When they find your bogus voters, ठोक देंगे.
This time, Padmaja ji, let me tell you, money will
This question is asked to me. आप तो
work.
हाँ.
This time, emotions will work.
हाँ.
Two brothers have come after a long time.
The money
All
will.
the
If money is not
Maratha
working,
are
then why?
going to
If
get
money is not
into our
working,
bank.
if money is not working,
Can
why
I
do you have
rebut
flying squads?
Padmaja?
We have to see the protocols.
Okay.
We are always taking care of Maharashtra.
Protocols. Answer.
Can I come in now?
Yes.
With an undisturbed timing, please?
Yes.
Thank you. So, firstly, let me tell you, this is the most challenging election because this is for Asia's biggest corporation ever, which has a budget of 75,000 crores. So the entire city is excited because after many years, this election is happening, and Mumbaikar is like Votkar, you know, it's like that. So, anyways, going back to what you said about the bogus voting, ये तमाम चीजें हैं, flying squads, what सरकार से आगे हैं और सरकार और पुलिस से भी
5,000 लोग उन्होंने जमीन पे उतार दिए.
बहुत अच्छा है, हम तो स्वागत करते हैं ना इसका. उसमें से एक को भी तत्वों के साथ पकड़े तब तो हम जानेंगे. एक बात. दूसरी बात ये है कि मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि मुंबई और मुंबईकर के मुद्दे क्या है. मुंबईकर के मुद्दे ये मलाई रसमलाई, ये कोई छिछोरापन है चुनाव का. आप किस हद और स्तर पर गिर गए हो कि आपको ये साउथ इंडियन नहीं चलेगा, नॉर्थ इंडियन नहीं चलेगा. I will not accept any interruption. No, I will not accept any interruption, please. When I am debating,
I'm just saying.
I am not.
Okay, one
at a
You
time.
did your turn. You had your opening.
But I
You were
want-
asking
but
me
I
also.
want-
अब मेरे टर्न में भी आओगे तो फिर वो वैसे नहीं
hold on a
चलेगा.
second.
तो करूंगा ना.
एक second.
काउंटर के आपको वक्त देंगे ना मैडम, है ना
Asif
आपको.
Bangla,
पूरा डिबेट आप ही कर लो, फिर हम लोग की
Mr.
जरूरत ही
Bangla,
नहीं
I want to
है.
start-
ऐसे नहीं होता.
I want
Debate
to-
is a civilized debate.
Yeah, I want to start by asking you about specifically what Sanjay Raut has said. And this is the Shiv Sena, UBT, the MNS and the Congress is also alleging that you people are up to no good. All of you have used money power. सारे papers में आप ही के ad. Look at it. Look.
वो सारे
And now you are distributing money.
Padmaja, I'm going to give you 1 minute. Please. I just take 1 minute. खिसियानी बिल्ली खंबा नोचे, जैसे आपने कहा ना कि अभी से हार मान ली. मैं आपको ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ, मैं आपको मुद्दों पर केंद्रित करना चाह रहा हूँ. मुझे 1 मिनट दीजिए, सिर्फ 1 मिनट दीजिए. मुंबई के मुद्दे क्या? अच्छी सड़कें, clean water, we need open spaces, we need gardens, we need promenades, we need an infrastructure which Devendra Fadnavis ji government is giving us.
But you are not deploying dirty tricks. No dirty tricks by you.
देखिए, अब डर्टी ट्रिक्स हम भी कह सकते हैं उनको, वो भी हमें कह सकते हैं. चुनाव में इसका कोई रोक नहीं, अंकुश नहीं. आई वेलकम.
MNS के पास एविडेंस है.
नहीं, वो सारे एविडेंस. देखिए, हम किसी को नहीं मंच पर लाकर किसी को खड़ा करें, मंच पर लाकर XYZ को खड़ा कर दिया.
2.5 लाख रुपए पकड़ा गया नेहरू में. We have evidence. We have evidence.
ये सब
One at a time.
टॉक्स है.
I'll come to you, ma'am. I'll come to you.
मुंबई का जो मतदार है वो बड़ा सक्षम है, उसे पता है. मुंबई का मतदार को पता है कि दिस इलेक्शन
मतदाता को पता है.
देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी.
मुंबई
English. So, okay, Mr. Bamla.
2 घंटे पहले
पुलिस ने पकड़ा है. Now give him 1 minute.
पकड़ा है पुलिस ने. पता है
प्रूफ कहाँ दिया जाता है? चैनल पे चर्चा.
अरे हमने प्रूफ दिया है. हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं ने पुलिस को प्रूफ दिया है. पंचनामा उसका हुआ है. आपको पता नहीं है. आपको ग्राउंड रियलिटी पता नहीं है, आपको ग्राउंड रियलिटी पता नहीं है।
बोलिए, क्या है आपके पास? क्या है आपके पास?
सर जी,
किसी ने रोका नहीं है सर, उनको बोलने तो दीजिए।
मुझे टाइम दिया है, मुझे बोलने का टाइम दीजिए।
Okay, hold on a second, Mr. Bamla, I'm requesting you. Mr. Bamla, I'm requesting you. Give him 1 minute now.
मैम,
What proof do you have?
अभी 3-4 घंटे पहले एमएनएस के कार्यकर्ताओं ने बीजेपी कार्यकर्ताओं को विद वोटर लिस्ट, उनके पास वोटर लिस्ट भी था, 2.5 लाख रुपीज उनके पास कैश था। इतना कैश कैरी करना ये है क्या? विद वोटर लिस्ट था, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हुए पकड़ा है पुलिस ने। एनडीटीवी मराठी
पुलिस ने पकड़ा या आपने पकड़ा?
नहीं,
Yes,
नहीं,
just a second. एक second.
एमएनएस से उसके बाद पुलिस को बुलाया, पुलिस ने वो कैश सारी बरामद किए और उनको लेके गए, पुलिस स्टेशन में लेके गए।
Sir, here the point is, just a second. This entire process has to be done by the election commission. What you are doing is extra constitutional. You are going out. Sanjay Raut is saying we have sent out 5,000 people. और आप लोगों को पकड़ के गुंडागर्दी कर रहे हैं।
मगर पैसा बांट रहा है और इलेक्शन कमीशन कुछ नहीं कर रहा है। What whose responsibility it is to stop this? Election commission responsibility.
Okay.
Election commission is not.
Okay, so Sachin Kadam, just a second.
आप
Sachin
यहाँ से
Kadam.
जाइए 1 लाख रुपए गाड़ी में लेकर,
हाँ।
अगर आपको चार्ज चेक पे पुलिस नहीं पकड़े तो आप मुझे बोल दीजिए।
तो आप बोल रहे हैं वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं।
100%
सूजी
और क्या
बैंशा,
चुनाव के दिन है?
ओके, सूजी बैंशा,
आप कुछ भी कह रहे हो, कहने के
Very
लिए
good
कहना
evening
ठीक है,
to
ये
everyone.
कोई मंच नहीं है।
I think this is a malpractice which should be condemned by everyone, right? Two wrongs don't make it right. Right? Today in Worli, ऐकून तरी घ्या आता 5 मिनिटं हो, आता सगळं ऐकलं ना।
ग्राउंड वरती होतं
नाही,
का?
वर्लीला तुम्ही मला
सर्वात जास्त
सांगा.
पैसा कोण वाटतंय?
आता एक मिनिट. Now,
महाराष्ट्रामध्ये सगळ्यात जास्त
in
पैसा कोण
Worli,
वाटतंय?
in ward number 193, your Prince Aditya Thackeray is an MLA there. 193, the Ubata candidate Worlikar was found distributing cash. आहे मला माझ्याकडे.
दाखवा पुरावा.
अहो, त्याच्यामध्ये एवढी
दाखवा
गाडी
पुरावा.
गलोच आहे.
दाखवा पुरावा.
आहे, पण आम्ही गेलो ना.
दाखवा पुरावा.
Just a minute. आम्ही NDTV वर, we don't come to NDTV and create a ruckus which is not required. We have gone to the returning officer tomorrow morning. No, allow me to Bhamlaji. We have gone to the returning officer and we have filed the complaint. We will file in the manner it is because we have to protect democracy. We have to protect free and fair election. So therefore, let me allow me to complete. Today, the election, the focus should be on Amchi Mumbai. आम्ही मुंबईकर, we all are मुंबईकर. That should be on focus. For 25 years, which no one can run away, there was misgovernance. Today, the Mahayuti government, when for 2.5 years there was no governance, we have ensured that metro has happened, mobility has happened, a 300 acre.
Can I come in? Padmanabhi, I have to counter this. 25 years.
Open space has happened.
25 years. You were also there with us. They were also there with us.
Let the Congress come in on this. You know, if you have any complaints, Rakesh Shetty, if you have any problem, you know, whether the Shiv Sena has a problem, the MNS has a problem, even the BJP or the Shiv Sena has a problem, they need to go to the election commission. एक second, sir. But कहाँ से? How is it okay? Just a second, sir. एक second.
बोला क्या? बोले.
सुविधा का सवाल है.
How is it okay?
Maharashtra.
Yes. How is it okay to take the law in your hands to issue threats? आज के दिन फॉर राज्यसभा MP टू से कि हम किसी बोगस वोटर को पकड़ेंगे तो वहीं खड़े खड़े हम उसको ठोक देंगे. Essentially, you are threatening the voter. You are intimidating the voter. अरे सर, स्टाइल ऐसे नहीं होती ना. Tomorrow I say I am going to slap somebody.
He has been saying it since
Style में नहीं चलेगा.
Today only you realize what? It is not about ठोकना means really. ठोकना means catching.
I would request the MNS and the UBT to allow the Congress to speak.
आप देखते हैं ना अभी परसों
गुंडागर्दी
दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाएगा.
Politics of threat and intimidation cannot work during an election.
It's a threat to people who are doing wrong.
थ्रेट ये है कि आज 3 साल के बाद 29 महानगर पालिका में चुनाव हो रहा है और थ्रेट ये है कि बीजेपी हैज़ वन 44 सीट्स अनअपोज्ड Shivsena Shindeghat has won 22 seats unopposed, and very interesting, NCP Ajit Pawar has won 2 seats unopposed. This is where the threat is. पूरा का पूरा इलेक्शन कमीशन भारतीय जनता पार्टी, शिंदेगढ़ और जो हमारे एनसीपी है मतलब अजित पवार गढ़ का, उनका साथ दे रही है। और थ्रेट आपको देखना है तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के सबसे बड़े नेता राहुल नार्वेकर जी, उन्होंने जो थ्रेट, एक हरिभाऊ राठौड़ जो बेचारे बंजारा समाज के आते हैं, उनको सिक्योरिटी के सामने, सब लोगों के सामने वीडियो वायरल हो चुका है। संजय राउत तो इतना हिम्मत रखता है कि कैमरा में बोलते, ये चुप चुप के सबके सामने he has warned him to strip off his security. This is where the real
समझ में नहीं आता, एक तरफ on the one hand you are saying that the entire system has been subverted. Just a second sir, on the one hand,
अरे आपने क्यों नहीं किया?
आपने क्यों नहीं किया?
on the one hand,
रवि भाई में किधर किया?
on the one hand, the entire system has been subverted. The entire system has been subverted by the government, by the BJP and the Shiv Sena. On the other, you are saying, Sanjay Raut says कि आज के दिन भी हम पूरी मुंबई को 10 मिनट में बंद कर देंगे। तो या तो आप पूरी मुंबई को बंद कर देंगे, या पूरी मुंबई का ऐसा इनका कब्जा है कि ये बैलेट बॉक्स में भी, सुजाता पांडे बैलेट बॉक्स में, राज ठाकरे has said that 2500 votes have been stuffed into all the EVMs beforehand. And already the BJP and Shiv Sena have rigged this election. So what are we to believe? Has money power, power of being in government helped the BJP and Shiv Sena, or are these excuses? Sujata Pandey.
Let's start with the threats that's been spoken. I think as a Mumbaiker, someone who's come from outside, I'm not a Marathi, but I love Mumbai as much as all of you do. All of you do. What is the first thing that drew me to Mumbai? Is its security. कि यहाँ पे कोई किसी को ठोकता नहीं है, ठीक है? यहाँ पे कोई किसी को रोकता नहीं है. So the moment you say किसी को ठोक दोगे, as a non-Marathi, I am intimidated. And this is where you need to understand that that's not the language Mumbai needs. Mumbai needs a language of inclusion. Mumbai needs a language of welcome, because Mumbai is, जैसे वो कहते हैं ना, किसी के बाप का हिंदुस्तान थोड़ी है, सभी का खून शामिल है यहाँ की मिट्टी में. तो मुंबई की मिट्टी में भी सभी का खून शामिल है. And second point, coming to you, like what you're saying, कि has being in power gives you advantages. Yes, that's given. You know, as a political analyst, I cannot argue that. But then it's the people, it's the election commission, and the elections after elections. Not the first time. It is the fourth time. You know, you see, there was a contest between who's the real Shiv Sena and who's the fake Shiv Sena. The people had to prove it. The people proved it in the Vidhan Sabha election. The people proved it in the other Nagar Sevak elections. Now that's what I'm saying. So round one you won, round two BJP won, round three also
Out of 48, round 4 is there now.
Round 4 is here. Round 4 is here.
I'll tell you the reason of bogus voting.
We started, I'll just come to you, ma'am. You know, I want to show you the beauty of representation just among the people that we are sitting. There is a Sajid Supariwala also here. There is a Rakesh Shetty also, who's come originally, whose family has come from Udupi, also sitting over here. There is a Sachin Kadam also sitting over here. There is a Sujata Pandey from Uttar Pradesh also sitting over here. There is a Suzy Ben Shah also sitting over here. And there's a Asif Bamla. तो सबका खून है. एक सेकंड सर. सबका खून है इस मिट्टी में शामिल. आज अगर अन्नमलय के नाम पे रसमलाई बोली जा रही है, तो कल शेट्टी साहब के नाम पे भी कुछ बोला जा सकता है सर. और आप तो कांग्रेस के टिकट पे लड़े हुए हैं. If today Annamalai can be mocked, tomorrow Mr. Shetty can also be mocked, and you can't keep quiet.
Now, when you talk about Raj Thakre, और राज ठाकरे से अगर इनको इतनी दिक्कत है बीजेपी को, तो प्रधानमंत्री जी उनके साथ लोकसभा में मंच शेयर कर रहे, विधानसभा में कर रहे.
उनका क्या बोलना?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
कभी ये वीडियो लगाते हैं, कभी वो वीडियो लगाते हैं.
आपको पड़ी प्रधानमंत्री, आपको
क्या हो गया?
Mr. Shetty, Mr. Shetty, at least, Mr. Shetty, at least.
तो मुस्लिम लीग से आते
एक सेकंड सर, एक
हम
सेकंड.
लोग तो बाला साहेब का
Mr. Shetty, I only have one hope. I only have one hope.
अरे पद्मजा जी, they are so opportunistic.
वो पीछे
Go and say Mahbooba Mufti also.
You know, I just want, ma'am, just a second.
They won't. वो इनके हाथ से निकल गया वो खराब है.
Give me 30 seconds. Mr. Bhamla, I'm requesting you.
एमएनएस पे
I am
चर्चा
just
करके
speaking to
मैं
you
टाइम दे रहे हैं
Everybody can go
एक
with
पद
everybody.
भी चुनकर नहीं आ सकता
Everybody has a choice.
UP has been living here for 3 generations. You will at least say what was said about Annamalai was wrong. It was demeaning, and there are hundreds of people who are Tamil who stay in Mumbai who don't deserve this, sir. And today, by the way, Sanjay Rao doubled down on this, and he said कि अरे ये South Indian लुंगी पहन करके
How are you
BJP
taking
की
Sanjay Raut so seriously,
Why?
Padmaja? I'm surprised.
What Anna Malai said was Mumbai city is not a Maharashtra city. It is wrong. We condemn that statement. This is wrong.
उनको गाली दे देंगे.
नहीं नहीं
तो क्या गाली दी हिंदी में? आपको सही लगता है वो?
नहीं
वो
let me
स्वीकार है
tell you.
उनको.
जो बाला साहेब ठाकरे जब लुंगी बजाओ पुंगी बोला था ये इनके पार्टनर थे बीजेपी वाले उनसे पूछिए ना.
तो अब आपको लगता है राज ठाकरे का बोलना सही है क्योंकि बाल ठाकरे ने बोला?
अन्ना मलाई को कंडेम पूरा मुंबई कर
इसलिए
करेगा.
जनता ने तुमको
क्योंकि-
बताया है कि ये है
क्योंकि-
तुम्हारा जगह
क्योंकि मुंबई
स्टाइल के कारण.
में ही सेड कि मुंबई इज नॉट अ महाराष्ट्र सिटी.
गाली दे देंगे.
गाली तो प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं ना.
क्या गाली दी है सर? क्या गाली दी है उसको? अन्ना मलाई को नहीं गाली दी, लुंगी की बात करके सारे तमिल को गाली नहीं.
तो प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं ना कि कपड़ों से पता चल जाता है. प्रधानमंत्री जी का स्टेटमेंट है कपड़े से पता चल जाता है लोगों को.
ठीक है. Very quickly, Suzy Ben, on this, then I'm coming to you. Very quickly.
One, those people who believe in free and fair elections should remove their badges. This is not the time. 48 hours. He also should.
We'll remove. We don't mind.
For next 48 hours, you should not have.
So everyone remove their badges, please. Everyone.
Wisdom. Please remove it.
We'll remove it.
Amla Sahab. Now, coming back to 66, there are occasions in the past where the MP also has been chosen unopposed. There was never a hue and cry. We accepted in free and fair election. Now, 66 people. Why it has? Allow me to speak.
We are also going to counter this.
That Mr. Pamla, Mr. Shetty,
You don't have a mic, sir. Give me a minute. You don't have a mic.
Continue
you
again.
seem to be Mr. Shetty.
Yeah, I'll tell you something.
Mr. Pamla is the BJP and Shiv Sena. Hold your horses. Of course, we said we believe for free and fair election.
Are you condemning it? Rahul Narvekar, what he did, are you condemning it?
Allow me to speak.
You are not condemning
You
it.
cannot. No.
You are unwilling to condemn it.
Anything wrong and proven by the election commission.
That was not wrong.
Now, hello.
Why can I come in?
You are Prajakta is the anchor. She will ask any question. No, not you. Not you. Not at all. You don't talk. Finish up. You are from the Congress party. Talk about yourself. Right. Now coming back to the 66 seats. I will tell you this. We have 68. I'm very proud. I'm very strong about it. Very proud about it because the way we work on ground. Systematically, we touch people. We have foot soldiers. It is the Congress who's just on vote chore and nothing on the base. So today, it was felt. Allow me to. I am not completed. Please.
To the candidate.
If we speak like this, nobody will be able to do the
I'll just quickly.
30 seconds.
30 seconds also, so that is it. We are firmly on the ground. We are people's worker. We have a dedicated common man. Lastly, Manse are known to be goons. Yes, absolutely. That is why. But Mumbaikar are not
Eknath Shinde
goons.
was the number one goon of the Thane. Eknath Shinde breaks the dance bar. You know, Eknath Shinde breaks the dance bar.
Now let him respond. Let MNS respond.
Of the Thane. You know, Eknath Shinde is the number one goon of the Thane. Yes, Eknath Shinde has breaks the dance bar. You know. Yes. You should know the facts. You should know the facts. You don't have any facts. You don't know facts.
He is my leader.
Yes.
Undisputed leader.
He's not the leader. Eknath Shinde is not the leader. Raj Thakre is the leader. Bala Saheb Thakre is the leader. Eknath Shinde is not the leader. You don't know.
Okay.
You don't know.
You know, the fact is, okay, I don't know. Okay, I don't. Okay, silence now, silence. So I don't know about the MNS. The MNS. Okay, ma'am, just a second. So now MNS you say doesn't have any relevance anymore. MNS, just a second. MNS you are claiming doesn't have relevance anymore. But the fact of the matter is, Asif Bhamla, no, I have a specific question to you. It's very easy for us to sit over here and say कि they are all spent force, it doesn't matter anymore. But the fact is कि ठाकरे का नाम चलता है अभी मुंबई के अंदर.
ओके मैं जवाब
और ठाकरे भाई जब खड़े होते हैं.
Why are you using Bala sir? Now,
Let
can I come in? Can I come in? I need to counter.
आप जवाब दीजिए.
Can I have silence, please?
Yes, let me finish my question.
Yeah, please.
जब दो ठाकरे भाई, when the two brothers stand at Shivaji Maidan,
Okay, great.
Mumbaikars listen. Can you discount that fact?
I will answer that without an interruption. Ma'am, I'll answer. Have you had your time, please? I request you. Ma'am, now my only, I can't even speak.
Go on.
My only point of submission is that who separated the ठाकरे? हम तो खुशी परिवार एक आ रहा है. तुमने एक दूसरे के कपड़े फाड़े, चीचा लेदर किया. पूरे विश्व में ये उनको चोर बोल रहा है, वो उनको लंगोटी चोर. No, you can't speak in between.
Mr. Bhamla, talk about today. That emotional pitch.
नहीं, आप लोग जो है, आप लोग अलग हो गए. आप लोग एक दूसरे के खिलाफ जो बातें रखी है, कल देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी ने शिवाजी पार्क में अपने भाषण में दिखाया. मैं ये कह रहा हूं, आप लोग आज आए हो किसके लिए? सत्ता के मौके, ठीक है, लेकिन आपको जनता दिखा देगी क्यों आपने कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया. कांग्रेस के साथ एमवीए में गए उद्धव जी, कांग्रेस में गए. नहीं, कुछ इमोशन कार्ड नहीं वर्क करता. अगर उतना ही होता तो पिछले चुनाव में माफ करना, शिवसेना की ये दशा नहीं थी. तो ये इमोशन नहीं चलता. जनता काम देखती है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी, देवेंद्र फडणवीस इज गोइंग टू चेंज द ट्रेजेक्टरी ऑफ महाराष्ट्र फॉर द नेक्स्ट 50 years. And we will have the mayor. The Bharatiya Janata Party will have it.
I will get Sajid Supariwala to respond.
And we'll celebrate that.
But before that, I request you take off the symbol, please, because they have both taken off their symbol. You should also take off your symbol. The emotion card is not working anymore. MNS और शिवसेना की इतनी बुरी हालत नहीं होती if that emotion works.
When Raj Saheb and Uddhav Saheb met, it was like Diwali and Eid for the Marathi Manus. We all were crying with our, emotions. And 1 minute, let me tell you one thing. They are talking about Shinde. 1 minute, I didn't speak in front of where you were speaking. Shindekar they are talking about. What do they have with them?
Everything.
1 minute. A stolen symbol, a stolen name, a stolen father. Tell them to remove Bala Saheb Thackeray's poster photo from your poster. Then we'll see whether they win 1 seat also in the Secondly, the original Shiv Sena, the formation of Shiv Sena was with Prabodhankar Thackeray Saheb. 1 minute. Secondly, Bala Saheb Thackeray took it ahead and Uddhav Saheb Thackeray took the principles of Bala Saheb Thackeray for the Marathi Manus. Ask them what have they done for the Marathi Manus.
But Sajid Supariwala.
Want to BJP. And today when BJP is saying we don't want Marathi, we want Hindi as a priority, what have they done?
Okay, hold on. That's a separate debate. That's a separate debate. That's a separate debate. Mr. Bhamla, just a second.
No, but Padmaja.
सर इधर उधर की बात मत करिए. ये बताइए, एक सेकंड, इधर उधर की बात मत करिए. इधर उधर की बात मत करिए. ये बताइए कि राज ठाकरे नहीं फिर उद्धव ठाकरे को पिछले 10 सालों में 20 सालों में इतनी गालियां क्यों दी? उन्होंने ही बोला ही इज अ ट्रेटर टू द कॉज.
कब गालियां दी?
राज ठाकरे हैज सेड
बताइए. नहीं ये गाली नहीं होती. दिस इज नॉट द गाली.
नाउ लेट हिम आंसर.
They are blood. When two brothers are there, they have
His speech. Okay, what are you going to lose if I show you this?
Right about that. Yes. But doesn't mean that they will flee the family. They are blood.
And what did Uddhav ji said? Blood तो है.
Need to prove anything.
तभी water खा क्या?
Don't need to prove anything.
Blood.
Blood. What are you talking about?
Let me get to Sujata Pandey.
आप blood लेके
Sujata Pandey, at the end of the day, at the end of the day, when it is okay, fine. At the end of the day, when the fight is for legacy, at the end of the day, please. Okay, please. Okay, 30 seconds. Give me 30 seconds. Sujata Pandey, when the fight is for legacy, ultimately blood is thicker than water. And can that be discounted? Because if people are saying that the coming together of two brothers, even if there has been acrimony, that is not lost. And Thackeray name originally holds sway over Marathi sentiment. How do you respond? And I want to quickly point out that even today when the entire campaign ended, the focus of the Yubata was on Hutatma Chowk. They spoke about how people have given up their lives. They spoke about the entire agitation to try and take away Mumbai from, Maharashtra. So they keep harking back to that. Sujata Pandey.
I think the Thackeray name still rings in Mumbaikar, but it's Bala Saheb Thackeray's name. It's not UBT, it's not MNS. And the reason being is Bala Saheb Thackeray stood for Hindu Hriday Samrat, the original king for all the Hindus from north to south to everywhere. And that is why in 1990s, when the riots happened, Bala Saheb Thackeray claimed it that he saved Hindus from the different riots and all that. And everybody bought it, and that is why he had such a big pull, not just in Mumbai but outside Mumbai. Secondly, let's look at the vote share, Padmaja. In 2017 vote share, they had a vote share of 27%. In 2024, the vote share came to 10%. Yes, in Mumbai they have 24% vote share, but it has been declining. MNS I'm not even counting because they've been 0-0 consistent. But coming together of the brother is a battle of survival, because they realize that if they don't come together, they will lose the very basic of the legacy, and it was high time they came together. But it is not going to be sufficient for them to win to BMC or have a mayor elected, because for that you need numbers, and that is a number that they are not going to touch. 144 number is they are not going to touch. Even in the Marathi, even the Marathi, political analyst सुन लीजिए,
बिहारी नहीं, यूपी वाले नहीं,
मराठी मानुस, Padmaja, just data. Okay, final 30 seconds. I'm only talking data. मराठी मानुस की बात बहुत हुई. मराठी मानुस के अस्मिता की बात हुई. अरे आशिफ जी, मराठी मानुस also. Let Sujata Pandey finish. She's a voter. Mr. Bangla, she's a voter. Let her finish. Yes, go on.
आपको किसने कॉपीराइट दिया है? Don't say this.
For your viewers.
Copyrights.
Sajid Sapani.
You are not letting her finish.
30 seconds.
If you are okay, Sujata Pandey, finish your point. Yes.
As a political analyst, I can say that Marathi Manus is not the consolidated Marathi who's living in Mumbai. Mumbai demographies have changed and the politics have changed. Marathi Manus also, for your viewers, can be categorized into 3 or 4. First is the working class Marathi, the traditional Marathi, who's Lal Bagh and Worli and all that. You've seen the result of the Vidhan Sabha. BJP swept across, that means that is a split. Now there is also a Marathi Manus who's living between the Dombivali, Kalyan, all of the commuters, where Vasai, all of that, MNS, I wanted to tell you, do you know where the highest fatality rate of the commuter of the Mumbai? 6 Mumbaikar die every day while commuting between Kalyan and Dombivali. You should be raising their question. A Marathi is living in a 300 square feet house. You should be raising that question. That is my question. You started about उसकी बात करो ना मराठियों की बात
Ma'am, I think you have
An important issue has been raised over here. Just a second, Mr. Bamla. Just a second, sir. Just a second.
वो नहीं चलेगा, कान फोड़ दो, ये कोई भाषा है?
बिल्कुल नहीं है. And that is.
कैंडिडेट को रोकते हैं कि आप लोग लड़ो मत,
सबसे ज्यादा
डेमोक्रेसी खत्म करने की
उन्होंने भी आइडियोलॉजी से कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया.
Okay. Now we are asking a relevant question. Hold on, Mr. Kadam. Hold on a second. The relevant question which I want to take forward now.
Gone down by, from 80%
Yes.
to 11%.
This is an important question. As a just a second. As a Mumbaiker, she is asking. There are people.
Potholes, bad roads. Salah.
Please. हो गया है.
Roads were
Please, sir.
miserable.
Please, sir. This is not
Lifestyle
going
of
anywhere,
Mumbai.
Mr. Bamla. It's going nowhere. Just a second. There is no need to shout. There is no need to shout.
You are sitting in the
आप लोग
TMC now.
कोर्ट कचहरी में तो भरोसा रखते नहीं है.
Can everyone please keep quiet for 30 seconds? I'm requesting everyone for 30 seconds to please keep quiet. Because an important issue related to commuters, to people has been raised. There are people who lived in BDD Chaur. There are people who are talking about rehabilitation. There are people who are wondering why they don't have better transport, public transport. Sir, if today the coastal road can be made, if today the metro can be made, if today the Atal Setu or the BDD Chaul rehabilitation can happen. I have read stories of people who were living in camps for 26 years. Why is that, Sajid Supariwala? Why was this not done? Just a second, please. Why was this not done for 26 years when the Shiv Sena was, जिसको कहते हैं एक छत्र राज था BMC के ऊपर. आपके पास पैसे की कमी नहीं थी, पावर की कमी नहीं थी, लोग क्यों कैंप्स में रह रहे थे? Answer that. I will come to you. Answer that.
They were always, BJP was along with Shiv Sena at that time. You could ask the same question to BJP. But I will come to that. 14 years they have come. If they are so good, why didn't they do anything in state? The state of the situation of the people is so bad. Since 14 years they are ruling the state. What have they done to improve it? Any improvement is shown. We have been doing along with them. What we have come to is we have always been having the now when we were in the BJP also.
They were trying to beat people.
BJP always wanted to. That's why we used to call a spade when they were BJP also along with us. We used to stop them from certain things.
Like?
Now, a lot of things.
Like what?
If they went wrong somewhere,
Like?
we used to correct them. A lot of things been happening. Like dividing
I don't know.
the
Your shed, metro ka shed.
They were trying
That's
to
where
fix the
they stop.
jungle of that place at Powai, where these people were trying to RA colony, they were trying to destroy the forest. So we took an objection to that.
Sir, people were living in walls and did nothing. People had to be stuck in traffic and did nothing to stop the RA shed. Just a second.
रेल आने से पद्मजा पॉल्यूशन कितना कम हो गया.
Sir, एक second.
आज मुंबई का क्या चाहिए?
Let's not go
मुंबई
into
का क्या चाहिए?
Let Susie Ben respond.
It was 90.
मेट्रो का शेड की बात कर रहे हो ना?
मैडम,
मेट्रो
पांडे जी।
का पूरा का पूरा रिसर्च आया कि वहाँ पे कुछ भी कट नहीं रहा था. ये
अरे।
Islam is very intact.
Hold on a second. एक second.
कब वो ये बात नहीं करेगा?
Now here's the point. He has a very relevant issue that he raises here. Susie Ben, today you are saying that Uddhav Thackeray has been presiding over loot in the BMC. You were a part of the Shiv Sena when they were in the BMC.
Now I'll tell you.
Eknath Shinde was a part of that Shiv Sena.
tell you this.
Why weren't you getting the
I
work?
will tell you this. The standing committee, the improvement committee, and mayor, the only person calling the shot was the Sahib. The Sahib, allow me, yaar. The Sahib is yours. Please allow me to complete. Allow me, I mean, yeah, that was not. Allow me to complete, please. Now I will tell you, forget the oath, not at all, Mr. Shetty, not at all. Original Shiv Sena.
Original or a duplicate?
Original Shiv Sena with no, allow me to complete. But Eknath Rao Shinde was never allowed to emerge. You were so power hungry.
So it now.
You were so power hungry. hungry. You were so power hungry that your Sahib only and the love for his son, and that is the reason. That is the reason we separated.
Now. Wait. Give me. मैं जवाब दे रहा हूँ. Wait. Let me. Padmaja, you.
Why are they shouting like hooligans?
Padmaja.
This is nepotism.
Wait. Don't.
There would have been no Mahavikas Aghadi. There would not have been Mahavikas.
Let the Congress respond. Yes.
Now, Padmaja.
Uddhav Thackeray was calling the shots, says Suzy Ben, on behalf of Eknath Shinde.
Wait. Padmaja, very important. You.
Power के लिए भागा.
Okay, I'm requesting.
Power चाहिए था, सीट चाहिए थी.
Okay, I am requesting 30 seconds silence. 30 seconds silence, please. 30 seconds silence.
See, now when we talk about Coastal Road, who started it? First, Bandra Vadisi link started by Congress party. Sonia ji, she was present. She was a part of Congress. Sonia Gandhi had inaugurated. She was with me during that time. Achha, who started Eastern Freeway? Prithviraj Chavan. Who started this Coastal Road? Uddhav Thackeray ji as Chief Minister. The photos are out. Bharatiya Janata Party is aiming about Coastal Road. I have the photograph. What was the name of Coastal Road? It is Rajiv Gandhi. It is. Are we saying?
Hold on a second. You know what I find amazing is that, you know, now that the Coastal Road has been made, now that the Atal Setu has been made, everyone from Aditya Thackeray to Mr. Shetty of the Congress here has photos of how they are responsible for it. तो credit लेने के लिए हर कोई है यहाँ पे. Okay, but just a second. I want to ask you,
Can I have 30 seconds, Padmaja? Padmaja, can I have 30 seconds?
No. यहाँ पर, just a second. You know,
Why not today?
in the Shiv Sena,
entitlement to this?
Aditya Thackeray, Uddhav Thackeray are holding rallies. Raj Thackeray is holding rallies. Devendra Fadnavis is holding rallies. Eknath Shinde is holding rallies. सर आप यहाँ सिर्फ टीवी डिबेट पे ही कर रहे हो क्या? आपकी रैली किधर है? आपको सब कुछ बुरा तो दिखाई दे रहा है, बट ठीक करने के लिए चुनाव कौन लड़ रहा है?
मार तोड़ के अलावा
Congress party are connected with the masses. We can't do this fancy advertisement. This costs something like 2 crore rupees advertised. What is Congress party is doing is door-to-door campaign. This is a basic municipal corporation chunav. This is a municipal corporation chunav, and here what Congress party is doing, we are doing a door-to-door campaign and we are connected with the masses. We can't do fancy advertisement like this because this requires a lot of money and muscle power. Now see, this advertisement would cost you something like 2 crore rupees. Where is this money coming from? I want to answer.
The money, you know, elections are elections.
Can I answer?
No, elections are elections. Elections have to be fought. I will give you time,
Come
sir.
on, I don't like this.
Let me ask
this
my
is
question.
not a fair time you guys are giving.
Let me ask my question,
You are,
sir.
yeah, I'm upset at this.
Okay,
Sorry.
please don't be upset. Anyway, they all think that you've got power, you've got money on your side. Don't use your lung power. Okay.
People have got power, I'm saying. इनकी सोच है हमारे पास पावर है, हम मानते हैं कि जनता के पास पावर है, इसीलिए हमें वो पावर दिया, हम पे भरोसा रखती है. अभी देखिए मैं बीच में नहीं, I have never spoken when you speaking.
Yes, you
So
did actually.
let me tell you, Devendra Fadnavis ji will change the trajectory of Maharashtra's future in the next 50 years. One. Secondly, let me tell you, let us talk about the Mumbai problem. नहीं, जो garbage का है, जो segregation of garbage है, जो storm water drain का, जो storm water drain, नहीं, you ask me what is doing, let me answer. Okay, I'm asking. Let me tell you, जो रास्तों में खड्डे में रास्ता थे ना, एक मिनट, हमने concretization of road, let me answer. पद्मजा जी मुझे बात नहीं, हमने शुरू किया, एक मिनट, please, एक मिनट, you can't interject. Devendra ji, once he's become the CM this time, we have started.
He's not the CM.
1 minute.
He's
What?
not the CM.
I said that when he's become. आप सुनते नहीं हो? आप डालिए कुछ कान में कुछ डालिए आप. तो उन्होंने concretization of roads क्या नहीं एक मिनट. Concretization of roads क्या? With ensuring that all utilities are there. So that बार-बार जो खड्डे खोदने थे, जिसमें उनके लोगों का कमीशन हुआ करता था शिवसेना में, वो बंद हो जाए. और आप देखोगे future where you will see in the rule of Bharatiya Janata Party.
Okay, hold on a second.
Mayor of Bharatiya Janata Party.
प्रचार खत्म हो गया. Now I've got the last 2 minutes, so I'm going to give 30 seconds to everyone. Starting with Sujata Pandey. In 30 seconds, tell me, Sujata Pandey, who is a real Mumbaiker? 30 seconds only.
The Mumbai which is inclusive, Mumbai which is welcoming, Mumbai which doesn't differentiate between the south and the north and the west and east. Mumbai is a dream city, maximum city, is a city of possibilities because it allows everybody.
Okay.
There is absolutely no place of hatred politics.
Okay, time up. Who's a true Mumbai?
Mumbai is a commercial capital. जैसे लोगों ने कहा मुंबई केवल महाराष्ट्र तक सीमित नहीं है. इट्स अ वर्ल्ड रिनाउंड प्लेस. दैट्स व्हाट अन्नामलाई सेड. उस पे इन्होंने होल लगा. ठीक है, छोड़ दीजिए वो. लेकिन मेरा कहने का मतलब है मुंबई में सुख शांति अमन से लोग जीते और जो 25 सालों में अन्य पार्टियों ने नहीं कर पाया भारतीय जनता पार्टी विद इट्स.
Who's a real Mumbai? Who's a real Mumbai?
You will see that.
Mumbaikar and Mumbai is an amalgamation, is a conglomeration of caste, creed, community, but it cannot be denied that Mumbai belongs to the Marathi Manus, to Maharashtra, but there is no conflict between.
Sujata Pandey also Marathi Manus?
Yeah, absolutely, because she lives here, her Annapurna is here, her Karbamubhi is here, and she is welcome. But there is no conflict between being a pride Marathi Manus and all people living together. That is what Mumbai is.
Who's a real Mumbai Manus? Marathi Manus.
The real Mumbaikars who will respect Marathi language, accept the cultures and talks Marathi is a Mumbaikar.
Who is the real Marathi Manus?
Marathi Manus is the real Mumbaikar. Marathi Manus has
Who's the real Marathi Manus?
Baba Saheb Ambedkar, idea of the Marathi Manus. You know read the book. You don't read the books. Yes, what Baba Saheb Ambedkar said, you know what Baba Saheb Ambedkar said Mumbai belongs to the Marathi Manus. Baba Saheb Ambedkar said yes.
Asli Marathi Manus kaun hai according to MNL?
Let me talk.
You get very angry when somebody heckles you. Please don't heckle. Asif Bamla.
You are telling not to.
Who's the real Mumbaikar? Last 30 seconds.
Let them talk there.
So now I'll quote Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar said for the Mumbai, the water is given by the Marathi Manus, electricity is given by the Marathi Manus, infrastructure is given by the Marathi Manus. So Mumbai belongs to the Marathi Manus. That is what Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar written in his book.
That is correct. But I think the key question always remains: Mumbai belongs to Marathi Manus, Maharashtra belongs to Marathi Manus, but who gets to decide who is a Marathi Manus? The answer, I think, is very simple and it lies right here in this place. I'm going to quickly give last 10 seconds to people who've gathered here for Lodi. मराठी मानुस कौन है आपके हिसाब से? क्या आप मराठी मानुस हैं?
जो यहाँ पे इतने सालों से रहे वो मराठी मानुस हैं, बिल्कुल.
You have a very small population of Sikhs over here. Can they also be called Marathi Manus? You are a part of you are celebrating Lodi over here. Are you Marathi Manus?
No, we are Punjabis.
But you believe that you belong here in Maharashtra, that you are a Mumbai.
हमारी जन्मभूमि, हमारी कर्मभूमि महाराष्ट्र है और हम मराठी हैं. हम भले पंजाबी हैं, सिख हैं, कोई भी है, बट मराठी पहले हैं.
I think that in itself is a good enough answer that you can be here in Mumbai, you can be a Sikh, you can be a Christian, you can be a Gujarati, but you are still a Marathi Manus, you are a Mumbaikar. If you believe in the city, if you love the place, you love the language, and you believe in celebrating as one city, one state, one culture, and one country. We are going to end it with that, and again, a very, very happy Lodi, happy Pongal, happy Sankranti to all of our viewers.